Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable autoplay pause music for your earbuds LG Tone Free. You have to start by open LG Tone Free application, and right here you need to scroll down and go to additional settings, or of course you need to add these earbuds to the application. So if you don't know how to do this, you can check a video at this channel. So let's move to additional settings, and right here at the second line we have autoplay pause. So to enable it, we need to click at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. Once you enable this mode, it means that when you listen to music or watching a movie and you will remove your earbuds from your ears, it will automatically start playing music. When you remove your when you put your earbuds to your ears, it will automatically play music. And to disable it, you need to also tap one time at this slider if the slider have colorful background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!